All right, Deepak Saini here, Deepak Saini Health. So it is May 1st, 2020, and I don't normally, well, I'm an experimenter for sure, self-quantifier, and I don't usually promote products. I'm not going to do that here, but I am starting an experiment today with some new products to see if they can replace what I am already using. And I've done posts before, and you can certainly check them out on my supplements to live to 100 and what I take for general health and for some of the conditions and deficiencies that I have. But I'm trying out these new products. I'm not going to promote them right here because I don't know if they work yet, but I'm doing a 30-day experiment to see if they will make me feel better or the same or increase, you know, markers for sleep, improved sleep, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm taking three products here. I'm going to start taking. So again, I'm not gonna say what they are, but the first one is for sort of neuro function, and it has acetylcholine, bacopa, ginkgo biloba, L-alpha, glycer, phosphocylcholine, two other things I can't pronounce, and it is a liposomal blend or liposomal delivery. So be interesting to see if that works for neurological function. The other one is a vitamin stack, 5 pills to replace a bunch of other pills that I take. So it's all your A's, C's, vitamin D3, vitamin E, all your B's, folate, biotin, a little bit of calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, manganese, and then it's going to have all your superfood blends. You're going to have your alfalfa, wheatgrass, barley grass, kale powder, astragalus, spirulina, bitter melon extract, chlorella, broccoli, cabbage, parsley, and then acai berry, goji berry, pomegranate, mangosteen, cranberry, Schisandra berry, and then also some probiotics in here as well. So a whole complete vitamin. I don't know if it's fully complete. We'll check it out. Complete vitamin and amino acid profile. So that's the second thing. And then the third one that I will start taking too has, and this one has collagen, CoQ10, glutathione, pomegranate extract, grapeseed extract, so your resveratrol, there's resveratrol there, and then some fruit blend, make it a little sweet, Concord grape skin, blueberries, cranberry, mangosteen, goji berry, acai berry, etc. So, long story, I'm rambling here for 3 minutes. I just want to document it though. I'm starting this experiment today, May 1st, 2020. I'm going to take these three products, replacing the 40 other pills that I take every day for optimal health, and we'll see how it goes, and I will report back on how that goes. All right. Thank you, and let the journey begin.